G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Time for a quick tour of the 5-berth room on the Disney Wonder cruise ship. I'm at 8072. There's 5 of us staying in this room. I've just rocked up. So before it got all messy and kiddified, I thought I'd take you on a quick tour and show you everything about it because I've gone for a look through there and it looks pretty damn good. So let's go.
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there yet?
Yes!
Dad, I'm hungry.
Okay, so when I do my full review of the Disney Wonder cruise, I'll do a more detailed breakdown of this room after I've been in it for a while, but I just want to show it off in all its glory. It's pretty cool. So one of the first things I noticed is there's a down here you've got a toilet with its own sink and everything. It's separate from the shower and bathtub, which is fantastic, obviously, for all the families that would choose to stay on a Disney Wonder cruise for obvious reasons. But its own basin and everything as well. Also some lotions and makeup kits and bits and pieces to go with it. And an adjustable height shower, which is great. But this is awesome having the two because you've got 5 people in this room. Last thing you need is someone having this big long shower or doing their makeup or something like that in the bathroom and you can't go to the toilet. So this solves that. So I'm super stoked with that. That's great. Lots of storage in here. So life jackets as you'd expect. Some drying racks or some seats. Safe robes. Enough for everybody, 5 robes, which is cool. Lots and lots of drawers down here. Like I said, I'll do a more detailed one in my full review of the cruise. But I just wanted to show it off while it looks so good. I love this as well. Just having this little seat here. Just somewhere to sit down and put your shoes. Just a little bit of space. That's actually really handy, especially when you're like me and your back's had it. And then look at this bed. It looks like, I'd say a queen. Probably not a king, but still. You know, like, I gotta admit, I do really quite like the finishes or the Disney Cruise finishes on it. It does make it feel different. Little side tables on both sides, which is handy. Sometimes you don't get that on the cruise ships. Let's sail through here now. This, I believe they'll come and they'll turn this down for the evening. Will turn into a bed. So that's one of the beds there. Another bed folds down from the roof here and it creates a bunk experience. And then the third bed is in here and then comes down and settles over the floor there. That's how you get your 5 beds. So really neat little setup they've got there, and I like the fact they've got curtains. So just to add a little bit of privacy for the parents. Not a lot of privacy, but look, anything to get you away from your kids is good. And I've also, as you can see under the bed there, so there's heaps of space under the bed. So all our bags will just go under there. Be well out of the way for the entire trip, which is great. Lots of little storage nooks and crannies everywhere you look. I don't believe this is standard. This is possibly because I'm media. They supplied that and a bottle of champagne, which I'm super thankful for because I'm ready to relax and that's going to hit the spot perfectly. And you've got a little mini fridge down here as well, which I'm assuming will be empty. Yeah. So you can put a couple of drinks in there. So you can bring your own kind of like water bottles or whatever and then fill them up at any of the stations. So you can have some cool water in your room whenever you want it. And then out here, again, it's very good to see. I've got a little safety lock up here so you can prevent the kids, or little kids, from just opening it. And even then, the process of opening it's got a really good seal on it. So you've got to kind of go up here and then like really hoik it up to kind of then get it open. You can probably hear the big sound difference then. And then you've got, you know, 2 little comfy chairs, actually not a bad amount of space really. A little deck, and that view is going to definitely improve as we sail down the coast towards Hobart, which is our destination. So, that's just a quick look at what you can expect if you get the 5-berth room on the Disney Wonder Cruise. Now I am going to do a full review of the cruise, and I'm going to offer more detailed thoughts on this room once we've spent a few nights in it, at which point I'm sure it'll be a pigsty. But there you go, that's what it looks like in all its glory when you first walk in. Oh, obviously worth mentioning in the TV, almost the smallest I've ever seen. Well, not the smallest I've ever seen, but the smallest I've seen since the 90s. But I don't care, I'm not going to watch any TV. There's too much other fun things to do. And there's your PowerPoint ports as well. So you've got the US ports. So you're going to have to use it US. Oh, is that USB-A? Yeah, it is. So there's 2 USB-A ports there, and then all the rest are American ports. So that's just something to consider as well. Oh, I've got Donald, my favourite. I'm sure it's different in every room. Oh, the sled episode. That's epic. Oops, I missed this on the first run through, but look at what you got here. So a US to Australian double adapter. Love this, great touch. Very, very nice of them to have included that. That's going to make life a lot easier for a lot of people. And for those who need one, there's a hairdryer in here. All right, there we go. They let the kids in. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
I need to bring stuff.
Oh, making sure it's squishy.
Oh, you guys don't get a bed.
Oh.
Yeah, you're on the floor.
Oh yeah, you guys don't get a bed.
You guys can sleep under the bed. Come on, buddy. You ready to sleep under the? Your bed's underneath this one.
Huh?
You're under here.
Yeah, you're under there with Jazz.
Yeah, you're fit, won't you?
No, that's my bed.
No, just leave it, mate. They'll come down and prepare it before bed.
Oh, look at the pictures.
Where's the second bed?
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? It really looks really good.
Where's the second bed?
Up there in the roof.
Oh, I did the top bunk. No, I'm going to the top.
No, Jazzy gets the top bunk.
Mom, but Mom.
She's the only one that doesn't roll over 55 times.
Who sleeps on? There's no bed here.
No, they'll turn it into a bed before it's night time for us.
Just that one.
No, you're on the couch.
Oh,
You know what? We can swap each night.
No, please. Okay, yeah. We'll all swap, right?
Yeah, oh, Dad won't even get any of the bed.
I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you keep an eye out for that review video, because that's going to tell you everything you need to know and a full tour of this Disney Wonder Cruise. We can't wait. We're about to set off out of port, down towards Hobart. Thanks very much for watching. That's me. I'm back on the road.